Stephen from AdSafe Doors. We're here to fix a Stegbar door today. This one here is running really badly and we're going to fix it up and make it slide beautifully. I'll just show you. And then bring your camera over here, closer. Yeah, okay, right, okay. Look, this is how difficult it is to move. When you try to move it, it jumps up. The rollers are totally worn out. It goes this way. She's impossible nearly to move it that way. These are very common problems with all doors, and we can fix this Stegbar door and make it run very well. Okay, right, well we've finished this door, this Stegbar door, and it's sliding beautifully here. I'll show you. Here we go. There you are, there's your Stegbar door. And we'll test it for locking. We've adjusted the lock, we've adjusted the rollers on down the bottom of the door, adjusted them up so the door is square in the frame, the lock's lined up again, and the lock starts to work perfectly. And that's it, one Stegbar door fixed and finished. Thank you.